Uh, yeah.
Hey everyone! Continuing from my last review video, I'm gonna start building the bases to these Orc Bikers. I'm gonna start with getting 3 oval bases that are 105mm by 70mm. The 3 that I have on screen are old bases I used on another project. I had started by scraping off all the excess material that I did not want on these bases, but I did keep some of the rocky texture that was on there. Then I placed the model I wanted on the base and positioned it the way I wanted. When I was happy with the position, I came back with some pliers and picked away at the bark that was already on the base. I wanted to make some space for these little pieces that I've got from a broken failed 3D print. Always keep your failed prints, this way you can use it as basing texture. After finding the pieces I liked, I went in and scattered them around the base, seeing how it looked and what appealed to me more. You can be as creative as you want and have as much or as little as you need. My intention for these bases are that I wanted the bikers to be riding through a battlefield trying to get to the next enemy. I always have fun making orc bases. They can be as chaotic as you want or as plain as you want and they'll still look good. For the ground texture on the base, I use my normal mix of tile grout, texture paste and water, mixed into a slurry. This paste can be as thick or as thin as you want. Just remember, the thicker it is, the harder it is to apply, and the thinner it is, the more it'll run all over the place. So you should try and find a happy medium between both. This is why you see me here adding more tile grout to the mix to thicken it up. When applying texture paste, remember to push the paste all over the rocks and the debris. You want them to feel like they're part of the environment, deep in the ground, buried. If they were all just lying on top, it would just look a bit weird. And when you're done applying the paste, don't forget to clean the base rim. I'm just using some water and a paper towel to clean the rim. I find this is the easiest way to do it. The texture paste took about 4 to 5 hours to dry. So, if you can, do this before you go to bed, and by the time you wake up, it will be nice and dry. In the third part of this series, I will be doing a painting tutorial, so please keep an eye out for that. Thank you all for watching. I'll leave links to Puppetswar, my mini factory and Patreon in the description below. Please like, subscribe, and if there's anything you'd like me to cover in a future video, please comment down below. Thank you.